Hi, I'm Dave from Golf Car UK. Today we're going to be troubleshooting some of the basic faults that might occur with your E-Z-GO golf car. On the rare occasion you may experience some of these faults, I'm going to run through some of the basic checks you can do as an end user. One of the most common problems reported is foreign objects restricting pedal movement. With the E-Z-GO RXV, you'll go to turn your vehicle on, you'll hear all your clicks and clunks as normal, but when you press the throttle, you'll get no response at all. The E-Z-GO RXV is equipped with some initial self-test facilities. It senses any of the pedals are in the incorrect position on startup. It will not allow the vehicle to operate. Check for debris in and around the throttle pedal area. Anything simple like grass cuttings can restrict the throttle pedal from returning fully. Another fairly common fault, generally associated with some of the older lead-acid options, is the run plug. The run plug's located underneath the cup holder and can easily become dislodged from a user's feet. In the event that the plug has become fully removed, take note of some of the pins. They have a flat section on them. These must be located in the correct positions. If you turn your vehicle on and nothing happens at all, no clicks, no beeps, one of the first things to check is going to be battery wires. You can simply do this by just pulling back the covers and checking that everything is connected as it should be. Check out our card on the top right hand corner of the screen. This shows the winter maintenance and lead acid batteries. The E-Z-GO RXV is equipped with the electromagnetic brake. In the event that you can't get your vehicle running, you may need to release the brake manually. We're going to start by removing the cover. The cover here has 3 push rivets. Remove these, you can simply use your key, slightly push down the centre, remove the rivet. Located underneath the cover, you will find some plugs. These plugs are labelled 1, 2, 3 and 4. You should find a sticker underneath which also runs through the process of releasing this. What you basically need to do is undo both these plugs, and as per the diagram, plug number 1 into number 3. You'll hear a loud click, that's the motor brake releasing. Now your buggy should freewheel. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button.